Here we have a 1988 944 Turbo Cup. This is a pretty famous Ron Fellows car. Outstanding 1990 season with this car.
The leaders on the pit straightaway down into the bottom of turn one, and Spinard is right there to within just a couple of car lengths of Ron Fellows.
Turbo Cups, they have the fiberglass hood, magnesium 8-inch front, 9-inch rear, teledial special racing wheel, plastic door mirrors, manual adjusting for lightweight, roll-up windows, factory roll cage, airbag delete, air conditioning delete. The alternator just moved over to the left side of the engine in a lower position. We have just an outstanding condition in this original livery. If you catch like classic auto restoration, you know, it's white here, and then you come around here, it starts turning pink and flashing at you. It's got a pearl thing. A lot of the vinyl is original.
As they come under the bridge, down the chute and back up into Moss Corner.
This was supported by the FAF racing team. Pretty famous guys up in Canada these days with their other Porsche endeavors and successes. Mackenzie Industrial Group Funds was the sponsor of this car. They also had the, I think it was the Fiji film and this film processing thing. This is actually a hand-painted graphic on the hood, not vinyl. It's so cool. Car number 35, Ron Fellows. Best season it had was the 1990 season. We have the full race history of the car, and it's all known. Many other features, including the high output 2.5 liter engine with the K26 Turbo. They had a quick spool -6 turbo, or kind of longer legged turbo, the K26-8 turbos. Under the hood of this car, fantastic factory original hood clasps here, recessed into this little cup. And then basically, hood opens up. We got a factory hood prop, all stock. Has a little catch there for the hood prop right here. Just perfect. These are all factory power steering delete cars as well, for the most part. I've never seen them with power steering except people that have added it. We got the VIN tag over here. Got the Canadian Association of Sports Cars, the CASC tag. This car is 3-1067, and that identifies it as the racer in Canadian Turbo Cup Series, the Rothmans Turbo Cup, run by Canadian Tire. Under the hood here, pretty straightforward. We have the magnesium intake manifold, the 2.5 liter engine. This engine, maximum horsepower out of a 4-cylinder that Porsche could get in these cars, and just super cool. I would say this one's about as original as it gets. Pretty neat. There's a big history on this car online. You can look it up. Ron Fellows, Mackenzie, sponsorship car number 35. We have all the information available as well for anyone that has any questions. Down inside the car, you know, it's all in kilometers because it's the Canadian car, and it's got a factory car racing seat, Simpson belts, big fat steering wheel. Ron Fellows apparently liked that big thick feel in his hands, kind of a bigger guy, so I'm sure that felt comfortable to him. All right, if you have any questions, just give me a call.